Well, I got it done. This has been an incredible, just emotional ass ache to me. So what I did is I bought a handle set off the internet. See this old Made in America Dexter handle is the bore on this is 1 3/4. The modern handles are 2 1/8. The bore on them. So what I had to do is take the old handle off, hog out the hole a little bit to accommodate the screws. I think I got it.
It looks good. I was going to say, that looks good. Damn, the thing's way up in the air. Damn. Damn. Good job, John.
So I bored it out a little bit more and retrofitted with a handle that I bought off the internet. So I tried to replace the handle when the tenant was still living here, and what happened is the latch blew apart. It just fell apart. I have it here somewhere. A box of junk. And then so I contacted the company and I told them to send me out some new latches, or a new latch. And they sent me these, and it should be a square hole. Yeah, they sent me these. It should be square hole instead of the little plus. So this is officially retrofitted. This is the old. Oh, another thing too, they all have these plates on them. I had to cut those off to make it more like that. So I did that with the help of my angle grinder and a bench grinder. I had to do a field alteration on it. Oh my god, this is such a relief. So hopefully it'll hold up. Probably not. This old Made in America Dexter lasted 50 years. I don't think this Made in China piece of you know what, I don't think it'll last that long. We'll see.